Hey guys, it's Lunar Beaches here, your boy David, and I'm here with an XRP technical breakdown. Taking a look at the XRP chart, we are using the Bybit chart, and right now we are on the weekly. Now, previously, in previous videos, I was hoping that our double bottom, or triple bottom really, would have been right here. Let me just grab my brush. Was hoping it would have been right here. And that's where we would have gotten our bounce. That's an ugly arrow. Would have gotten our bounce, right? But that didn't happen. Instead, we fell through, obviously. And looks like we could be heading to the next, I'm getting a lot of Twitter updates. This next block down here, which wouldn't be out of the ordinary, of course. And this would be the 20 and 20, between 20 and 26, 24 and 26, somewhere in that range. But we can also possibly, maybe, if we're lucky, get a relief rally once we maybe close inside of this green box. So if we just follow the trend here, if we just follow everything that happened here, we broke out, we created support, we bounced off, and we haven't retested that support yet. And now we're right in the thick of testing this area for support. Last week, we closed at the top of this zone. If you've watched my previous bottoming videos, double bottom or triple bottom videos, you'll know that I'm going off of this last candlestick before this push up. I'm going off of that wick right there. Ow. Mosquito, sorry, there's actually this candlestick right here, and now I just messed everything up. Can't get rid of it. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. All right, so back to the action. So popped up, came down here, loaded up, pushed on through, came down, just held enough, strong enough, came up, fell down, and now we are back in this zone, retesting this level for support. And so far, not so good, because as you can see, we are in the zone. But we have falling out of the zone, but that doesn't matter. I've said that before, that does not matter, and I continue to state that as long as we close inside of this green zone, we are okay. As long as we do not close below, have a candle body close below, we are fine. However, if we do close below, we are not fine. Just like the previous example of this one right here. That's a little ugly. But this one right here that did close below, and then we continued down. So it's just further proof of watching support fall apart, essentially. And right now we're trying to rebuild some support in here, and so that would obviously mean, I believe, that if we continue and we do close below here, then the next stop is down in this zone, which could be the end of the bear market. Let's take a look at RSI on the weekly. It is bottoming out. It is going deeply oversold, but not quite as deep as previous bear markets. So as you can see down here, there we go, down here, this got down pretty low and it stayed down here, and the momentum of that downward action, the volume inside of that downward action was pretty heavy. So that just shows strong downward movement, just like how these straight up lines show strong upward movement. And we did get into the overbought zone, and then have been falling down ever since for over a year now. So, but if we're looking at history, there's one spot, maybe a couple of spots, where we did come up here. We didn't break the overbought area, but we did come down. We did create this, I believe these are like buy and sell signals, these little dots on here. I think they kind of act as buy signals, and then if you're in the green, they're just signals, and depending on where they are is how you decide what you're wanting to do. So they're kind of just like help you follow trends. They're not perfect. I mean, this one said, all right, let's go right here. This one said, maybe time to start thinking about selling. And this one said, definitely sell, as we crossed into, back below the overbought zone. I hope that made sense. So anyway, as you can see, we have spent most of our time basically down here, very little time up here. So if we do, and if we are going to continue down, then this may take a while to work its way out. I just noticed something. I want to do this live, and I want to see how this plays out. I want to see this kind of a similar pattern. If I can move it, there we go. Let's take a look here. I hate this. There we go. So we got that little bump. May not be quite the same. Goodness. What if it did that? What if it took that long? Hey, the next halving is May of 24. So maybe XRP gets a head start. Or maybe it gets drawn out. If I can get this thing to stop moving. Yeah, maybe it rides up with it, and then they chill, and then they take off again. I don't know. This shows a $320 XRP, so it's not out of the realm of possibility, especially when you're moving as much money, or plan on moving as much money as Ripple does using their XRP. But anyways, I'm just sitting here just kind of rambling on. I didn't, I just kind of got on here and was like, hey, I'm just gonna record a video. So that's what I did. So that's what I'm watching. So yeah, that's what I'm watching. I'm watching this again, watching another zone. If it gets taken down, well then that sucks. We're just going further down. And I guess we're not getting any relief ever again. But we probably will. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.